How's it going? In this SQL challenge, we're going to learn how to solve a medium difficulty problem called percentage of revenue loss from Uber. This is actually a pretty difficult problem, at least in my opinion, and you will see why in a second. Now let's look at the description here. For each service, calculate the percentage of incomplete orders, along with the percentage of revenue loss from incomplete orders relative to total revenue. Your output should include the name of the service, the percentage of incomplete orders, and the percentage of revenue loss from incomplete orders. Immediately, when I see the keyword incomplete orders, that means that's a filter condition for the where clause. And percentage of incomplete orders and percentage of revenue loss imply we need to perform some calculations to get to the answer. And we are given a table called Uber orders with 5 columns. To solve this problem, what I would do first is to create a base table to calculate the order count and revenue by each service for the incomplete orders only. And this will give us a table at least to start with the calculation. Now let's convert the table into a common table expression called service revenue breakdown incomplete. For the next step, I want to create the exact same table, but for all revenue only. And for that, I can just copy the SQL statement from the incomplete service breakdown table and take out the where clause and convert the table as another common table expression. Let's name it as service revenue breakdown R. Let's see. For the output, we need to return name of the service, percentage of incomplete orders, and the percentage of revenue loss from incomplete orders. The best way to perform the calculation like this is to join all the tables into a single master table with all the columns available for calculation. Here, let's do an inner join to join the two tables based on service name. And in the select statement, we will return the service name and calculate the incomplete percentage and revenue loss percentage. From the output, I see that the incomplete percentage returns as 0, and that is because order count from both tables are integers. And to address the issue, here's a trick that I use pretty frequently to convert an integer into a float, is by adding a 0 with a decimal. From the output, I can see that the incomplete percentage is displaying the decimal points, but there are way too many numbers. Here, let me use the cast function to convert the calculations into float data type first. And I think the output looks much reasonable this time. Let's click Check Solution to see if the solution is correct. Okay, I see that the expected output should be an integer with 2 decimals. Let's multiply the calculations by 100 and try again. And this time, the system marks the solution as solved. And that is everything I'm going to cover for this SQL challenge tutorial. I hope you guys find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.